So what is the Fearless Agent Listing Factory? Okay, we're talking about prospecting, okay, prospecting for listings. So basically, you're going to get on the phone, you're going to prospect. So here's your options, okay? I would always start my day, and I think you should too, calling your sphere of influence, asking for referrals. The mindset you want to have is, I can't wait to get done with these calls so I can get to the for sale by owners. Then go to for sale by owners. New for sale by owners you have never dialed their number before, never left a message to, hopefully the Fearless Agent message, never had a live conversation with before. The mindset is, I can't wait to get done with these folks. Maybe I book a couple of listing appointments from them, but I can't wait to get done with these so I can get to the expireds. Then I call the expireds. New expireds, I've never dialed their number before, never left a message to them, the Fearless Agent message hopefully, never had a live conversation. I'm not recalling people I've already called and miring myself in the insane asylum of real estate. I can't wait to get done with the expired so I can get to the follow-up calls from previous cold calling that I've done. That's where the big bucks really gets made in the future. That's what your future is going to be built on. And then I can't wait to get done with that just to get to the cold calls so I can sit back and relax and not have to think. These are the easiest calls. Calling up and down the street, asking people if they would like to sell their house, using the Fearless Agent words that all Fearless Agent coaching students know. So what is the listing factory? The listing factory is, you're doing that, you book an appointment, or you can't. If you can't, and they say yes, your problems don't even begin until they say yes. I always say, don't worry about how to handle the no's. Your problems don't begin until they say yes. So they say yes, but it's not right now. Then you end the conversation after going through the Fearless Agent dialogues that we teach you. You end the conversation with, when should I check back with you? And they say, oh, call me in 6 months. Well, I'm going to cut that in half, and then I'm going to put that in my calendar 3 months out, and then I'm going to call them back. I'm going to basically go through the same thing again. If it's not time to meet with them, then I'm going to say, when should I call you back? I might send them my thank you note or something like that. But I'm going to keep doing that with everybody. It's never going to change. It will never be more complicated than that. There will be no emailing ever. There will be no texting ever, because only incompetent people in sales text or email. Fearless Agents would never do that. That would be crazy. We're going to call, book an appointment, or when should I call you back? We're going to follow up in the correct way, and that's how you make the really big bucks in real estate. Your goal should be to schedule 5 listing appointments a week, just that way. So that's always going to work. You're never going to need to look for something new. So if any of this makes sense to you, go to fearlessagent.com, up in the banner, go to the right, click on our webinar, watch the webinar, and then give me a call at 480-385-8810. That's my cell phone. We'll have a quick conversation just to see if Fearless Agent would be a good fit for you. If it is, you'll get rich. If it's not, I'll admit it, you'll admit it. I'm still happy to help you in any other ways I might be able to. Subscribe to our podcast at fearlessagentpodcast.com. Subscribe here at fearlessagent.tv for all our videos. And then if you're an owner of a real estate company and you happen to be recruiting fewer producing agents than you wish you were, go to fearlessagentrecruiting.com, watch my video, and then give me a call. But no matter what happens, we want to make you a fearless agent. Thanks.